Hi everyone, Wilson here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you a short how-to to fix your DAB reception problem. So many people on SLK forums, Facebook, etc. has reported sometimes the DAB reception has completely disappeared. Now it happened to me not long ago, 3 weeks ago, where my DAB reception was completely gone. It wasn't like it was intermittent, it was completely gone. I wasn't picking up not even a single channel. Now I found a solution, a quick solution for this. It's absolutely free, so I'll show you guys how to do it in this video. So the problem you'll face is that no matter what DAB station you select, if you went through the list, it will fail to register any station. It will either show no information, or in my case it will just say searching and it won't register any station name. Obviously I won't be able to replicate it because I fixed the issue already, but that's the symptoms that you'll see. So first thing you need to do is you need to get into the engineering mode. So the engineering mode for this type of entertainment system, so this is the NTG 4.5. It's a 4.5 because it's got the SD card slot at the bottom. So most SLK should have this model. I mean, there are other models as well, but obviously what I'm showing you is only applicable, and it could be applicable to the other models. So to enter the engineering mode, you have to hold down the phone button, that red one, the number 1, and also the hash key here, all at the same time. So I'll do that now. Okay, so the red phone button, number 1, and hash key all at the same time. Hold it for a few seconds and it should enter the hidden engineering mode. There you go. So that's the engineering mode. I'll just show you a close up of it. So what you'll find is you'll have 2 main screens. So this is number 1 of 2. So you need to get to page 2 of the engineering mode. So to do that, you need to scroll all the way down the bottom right to the end, number 7, and then you have to push the down button on your command. So down as in push down like this, and then that will take you to the second part of the engineering screen. And here you select option 9, system reset, then push the command button, reset, push it again, and then turn the command knob, so go to yes, and then push the button again, and then this unit will go for a reboot. So the screen will go blank, so nothing to worry about there. It will go blank for a few seconds while it's rebooting, and there it goes. It will reboot. You won't lose any of your settings. So what I found is all the settings that I had for the sound settings, all the other related, navigation settings remain. So now what you'll find is, hopefully after the reset, your DAB should start working again. So although this technique fixed my particular DAB issue, I'm not saying it will fix everyone's DAB problem. You could have other underlying issues like antenna fault, or or actually the actual entertainment system faulty. But obviously it's free to try. You've got nothing to lose before diving into other parts of the investigation. It's good to have a scanner as well to scan for any OBD codes. In this case, on my problem, I didn't have any codes, so obviously this is the first thing I tried. Hope you guys find this short how-to video useful to diagnose and fix your potential DAB issue. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel so you can keep updated for any future how-to videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.